Hey, you may have seen these kinds of videos where DPR drawing draws like a printer. Jazz also tried drawing like this, so I also thought of trying this. I must tell you right off the bat that I did sketch the guidelines very loosely to keep in the proportions. But you will see later in the video that it is not that precise, as I didn't want to cheat in any way. This will be my very first time trying to draw like a printer. Next time I'll try to draw it without any help of any guidelines. At first, it was a little weird to draw horizontally and not able to go back to the areas I've already worked upon. As I moved forward, I started to get the hang of it. My values and proportions are still off, but I'm pretty happy with the outcome as it was my first time drawing this way. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one.